Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just today I'm making a little video about this Melissa and Doug. This is a 30-piece stamping kit. This is a fantastic kit, especially for kids who want to learn about stamping and just very creative and artsy with all the different animals here. It does come with 6 of also markers that my daughter did use up, so we have to, this is missing, but it does come with markers as well, and also 2 of the ink pads that do come with the kit. So I just wanted to show you this, what it looks like. If you're shopping, if you're looking online, sometimes you don't really get to see the full features of what this is. So this comes in a beautiful wooden crate. This is a nice quality. You can see it's all branded in Melissa and Doug. You can see all the little animals on here. And this is how it comes. You can keep it in the crate. You can keep it organized so the kids can have it in their room and play with it and then put it back when they're done. Hopefully, that's the idea. And you can see all the little critters on here. We have chickens and horses and sea animals, a little whale. And the detail is really cute and fun on these little stamps. You can just see the detail of the whale. And that's the idea behind it, to make it interactive and make it fun for the kids. Very colorful. All the stamps are very, very colorful. You can see here how nice they're all done with the little animals. They have sea animals and cats and dogs and elephants and zebras. And they're just really, really fun and nice quality. Sometimes when you're looking online, you don't really appreciate what you're feeling, and that's what I'm here to do, to help you with that. So it feels really good in the hand. It's got a nice sturdy box, like I said, that holds everything. Everything's all has the inserts. Everything's all organized. You can put the markers back. If you don't use them all up, you can put the markers back here. But this is what this is. I just want to show you the quality of the actual stamp themselves. They're not cheaply made. They're all high quality, thick block stamps. You can see here, there's the imprint of the little pig. That's what that looks like. Here is a turtle. Again, all the blocks are very similar, all nice quality blocks, and that's what you get it with Melissa and Doug. You always get top quality. In my book, I've just, in my years of buying their products, they just give you the top quality. Here's a little giraffe. You can see, so you get the idea, right? So I'm just going to show you a couple of examples on a plain piece of paper here, what I have, and just to show you how they work. So this comes with 4 different inks. This is 4. This is the red, the blue, and then it comes with a couple more colors here. So you get 4 different color inks, and you can use any ink. You don't have to use their ink. You can use any ink you want. You don't have to be sold to this specific ink. But I wanted to give you an example. So here we have the giraffe, and let's just do this in the red. Let's stamp it down, and now let's show you. Hopefully you can see there is the giraffe. So you can see how that works. That's really fun. And if they want to do something else, they want to make like a scene. The idea is to be creative, right? So you want to make a scene. So let's say the giraffe and is talking to the chicken. Here's the chicken one. Again, it looks small, but honestly, hopefully in focus, you can see it's a big block. They don't cheap out. And we'll do a blue chicken. We'll just stamp on the blue. We'll just stamp here in the blue. Boom. And then you can see the blue chicken. So you get the idea. So and you can actually color these in with the markers. That's why they give you markers if you want to color them in and do some fun coloring. So there's really a lot of options here. I don't know if I have a favorite one. They're all really cool and really fun. That's what I have for you guys. So I just want to show you what this is. The kit is really, really nice. Definitely pick this up. You can't go wrong with Melissa and Doug products. Honestly, I have a lot of videos about their products, and this is a really good and fun, excellent quality stamp kit. All right, guys, so if I brought you some value, don't forget to follow the channel for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy this type of content, leave me some comments down below. I really do appreciate that. And I'll see you at the next review. And thanks for watching. And definitely pick this up. The kids are actually going to love it. I guarantee it. Absolutely lots of fun. Have a great day.